my cry, Father. A long time me I hold the harder. I'm asking you to show what of the blessings so I can uplift myself. Also help my mother. A long time man I hold hard for the ghetto. Can't wait till the day come to let go.
Come to Lion TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. A pleasant Wednesday morning. So I give thanks to life, health, and strength. Give thanks to another day. Anyone there will love and blessings. Yeah, man. I don't know, life is the greatest gift. So big up everybody on the platform, all who are checking, all who are tuning in, all who subscribe, who not subscribe, inactive, active. That's what I say. Yeah, man. Coming up in this episode here, I don't know, we have Destiny Sparta Child, aka the Psycho Doll. Have a positive message, seeing a prayer to everybody on the platform. Then we have bad Gyal Jade. I share her frustration and depletion. But me I tell you, just be a whole faith bad Gyal Jade. You see me? And we also have the general veteran singer Tiger, who went missing, but he was now found. See? So big up all of the people, big up the general who find Tiger on the street and took him in. I'm part of Kingston 11 there. So I say, Greenwich Farm there. And yeah, Tiger is in need of help. So anybody can assist, reach out to the family who's in care of him and offer one can offer. I'm just the messenger. Saying, yeah man, we're forward.
This is one buff representing for Lionfoot TV. Yo, Lionfoot TV. She never knows her judgment till the one back bus in the nostril. And when she buck up the old back bill, one war and pussy get killed. Yeah, one buff representing for Lionfoot, you know. Yes,
welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Larmobile, you must take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go! Kingston was the hottest event. Up on Monday, Bossy Tuesday, boom boom, I represent. Can't tire the dance.
Yes, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. Please don't forget to like and share. Big up yourself in a one bop. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to Kingston. That's one of the songs of my EP titled Welcome to Kingston. So now we're gonna play. Check it out. And to a DJ or a selector who, can give her some strength. That's it. But anyway, Destiny Sparta, Psycho Doll. Here what she has said.
Hey, some plan and some plot did set up against you. For your feel, for your sick out, for your mad out. But them never know say you're God pitney. Isaiah 43 verse 2, God say what? When thou passest through the waters, I will be with thee. Through the rivers, they shall not overflow thee. When thou walkest through the fire, it shall not burn thee, neither shall the fire kindle upon you. You know what that means? Somebody trap them, you go walk in night. But God go prove himself and I saw him go get the glory. Can never say you go walk past the fire, him say you go walk through the fire, but it not go burn you, neither shall it kindle upon thee. No weapon formed against his people can prosper. Purpose cannot die.
Yes man, no weapon that formed against us shall prosper. You know what I mean? You have some people wicked out there, them just bad minded for nothing, all because they can change your clothes, regular shoes. Them see you strive out of the garrison, you try and progress. You see me? Yes, your ambitions are propelled and them just envy your bad mind. And God will be a man for you. Sprinkle powder your door, your style, your business, your local shop. Yeah man, them sprinkle powder on my doorstep already, man. You see me? Yeah, I sing about it in one of my songs named Reverse the Curse. So, you can go check it out. You see what I say?
Yes. Reverse the curse, God, reverse the curse, Reverse the curse, please, reverse the curse, Reverse the curse, I beg you, reverse the curse. Don't even back on all who do the evil. God, yeah man, so big up herself, Destiny Sparta, Psycho Doll. Yes, she turned Christian, turned her life around and, she give herself to the Lord. So, but people let me know if you think she should have change her name by now. I think so. She should change her name. From this Destiny Sparta, the Psycho Doll. I think she should change her name still. If she now gonna go back in a dance hall, you see me? And it's been a while now. But big up yourself, Destiny. You see me I say, Sparta.
Yeah, man. Moving on now, Bad Gyal Jade, talented artist. She burst on the scene with her freestyle, man. You know what I mean? I do her music and thing. But anyway, I saw this, so I enlighten it and highlight it and I reach out to her. So watch where I go.
I feel I'm get up, I'm try again. I'm feel again, I'm get up, I'm try again. I'm feel again, I'm get up, I'm try again. I'm feel again, I'm get up, I'm try again. Feel again, I'm get up, I'm try again. I feel again, I'm get up, I'm brush off, I'm try again.
Yes, man. Destiny, Bad Gyal Jade, Jano Star. You can sense the frustration in her voice, in her eyes. Because one thing with me, you know, when me see video out there, I try to analyze it and pre it psychologically, you know, for see. I know enough people do things for stunt, but this look real. So me I say, she share her frustration, so she try again. She feel, she try, she feel, she try. She brush herself off, get up, try again. You know what I mean? And who feels it knows. I can relate. You see what I say? But Destiny, I say, Bad Gyal Jade. Let's go on with the faith. Don't give up. Keep trying. You see what I say? Yeah, man, it's never too late and God is in control. Just tell yourself that God is in control. You see me? Yeah, man. Wake up this morning and up vibes, up full mood, you know? Yeah. I run go to the hospital and I go chop off my heart monitor because I'm ready to feel some heart and move away. You see what I say? Yeah, doctor say I stress. You see me? But I don't know. We firm and strong in the mind, you know, depression is there. You know, more time the devil chip in, you know, with them negative thoughts where if you're running away. You see me I say? Yeah, man, we have a song of forward name, God of the man, a forward soon. You see me I say? Enough time the devil drop up in my brain, interrupt me meditation. He might try to convince me, but he might try in vain. Now give in to first, now give in to temptation. What's the cost to sell your soul to gain the world? Sin, condemnation. Remember, nothing lasts forever. Only good salvation. You see what I say? God are the man, God are the done. Need someone to talk to, is the one. Include him in all of your plan. Ask him to guide you to and from. You see what I say, Bad Gyal Jade? Yeah, man, God are the man. Talk to Father God, man. Talk to him. You see what I say? Yes. So viewers and subscribers, leave some positive message to Bad Gyal Jade in the comment section or reach over to our page and give us some support, some advice, some encouragement, upliftment words. See me? Yes, man. Moving on now to Tiger. Wap, wap, wap. Big up Tiger, me a youth, me a Gyal Star, Tiger, one of my idol, Tinker Stewart, them man there, you know. Likewise, the Bounty Killer, the Bean man, them, Capleton, you see me a Sizzler, you see me? But anyway, Tiger, you know, him have him look sickness and, you know, him look financial problems, so he's stowed away and they couldn't find him, and an alert was made, somebody found him. So, watch a little snippet here.
I give him a stick, get him clean up. You know, get him something to eat, take him stay over. Yes, I'm currently still at the location. You know, Greenwich Town, Kingston 13. So anyone who have any information towards any relative towards Mr. Norman Washington Jackson.
Yes, man, credit to the brother that generally who find Tiger up on the street, took him in, clean him up, give him some little clean new garments to put on, and I said, yo, the family member, come film, we have him safe and so on. You see me? And it's a good look that. At least we still have some good Samaritans out there on the ground of Jamaica, you know? Yeah, man, you see it? Yeah, so Tigers in need of help also financially. So anybody who help him already, big up on yourself and who can help, reach out and help. You see me? I'm just a messenger and you see me? Me already help by doing this video to make it alert. You see me? For making the alert and the awareness. So big up on yourself and a man of peace and a lion foot, you know, give thanks to life, health and strength. And remember, be safe out there. If you've watched this video to the end, this vlog to the end, don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell and, you know what I mean? The support is highly appreciated at all times. Blessed love. Holy Emmanuel, I Selassie.
The party's full of tourists. That's one thing I admire and notice. Who not there ready, I listen to and love. They are down and dance to rubber dub. Welcome to Kingston.